Hello, aspiring entrepreneurs, business leaders, and expert speakers. I'm Natalie, your guide to success in the world of pitching at pitch4capital.com. Are you ready to take your business to new heights? Complete our video demo day and investor roundtable questionnaire and unlock a world of opportunities. Picture this: a 3-minute edited video, a free pitch deck review, a business development meeting, and up to 10% off full-service accounting and digital marketing services, all tailored just for you. But wait, there's more. Join our upcoming Pitch Demo Day on January 18th in Las Vegas. This isn't just any meetup, it's your chance to present, speak, and meet our investor judges and accredited investors one-on-one, in person. Ready to make your mark? Register today and let's craft the perfect pitch for your success. Visit pitch4capital.com and seize the opportunity. Your journey to success starts here. Register today, seating is limited.